So this lawnmower has a lot of problems. It's this lawnmower that I'm gonna do practice on, so somebody else that has this kind of mower can learn how to fix the lawnmower. So what I'm gonna do today, a YouTuber asked me to work on the carburetor. So I have to kick this off. There's no gas in here, of course. So on this brand of a lawnmower, you have to take off this just to get to the carburetor. It's a pain in the butt. It's a real pain in the butt to do. So okay, so I got that done. There's a bolt here and underneath here. Just to take this off. That's how you take off the car. This is the carburetor that sometimes it's hard to take off. So this is basically a bad carburetor, or bad, it's been sitting for a while. Normally I would take all these screws out, I'm doing a little bit different so I can show what it looks like. Alright. Let's see how dirty is inside here. See that hole is clean. That little hole is clean. Now it's hard to get off, so try to. Oh. Yeah, this lawnmower been sitting for a while. It's dirty on the outside. It definitely so that's basically how you kick it off. If you're looking to clean it, this is good carburetor cleaner, and you just spray it in the. Usually you take this off, spray it in all the holes that need to be cleaning. Yeah, that's basically it as far as how to clean a carburetor. And after you clean the carburetor, it's a little windy in the background, so if you hear the wind, and then you basically tighten everything and put it all back together. So once you get what you need to get done with this carburetor, you just put the screws back in like this, tighten it. And then you put this back on. Then you put your gas back on. Put it back like that and put it all back together. Everything, make sure there's nothing loose, and that's how you put a carburetor back on, and that's basically how you work on a carburetor. I hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, and I'll do another video on something else on this.